Hi friends, welcome back. Myself SandeshMRaghav. Today we will see how to unprotect Excel sheet without any password. Let's dive in. This is one sample file we are having. We will open the sheet. Right now this is not protected. What we will do, we go to review and protect the sheet with some password. Example, I'll just go to 1, click OK, 1, OK. Right? Now we close this sheet. After some days we come back. We want to modify this sheet. We need to unprotect it. We forgotten the password. What to do? So in that case, I will show you how to unprotect this sheet. Now cancel this. Close the sheet. Before doing this process, take a backup of this. Ctrl C, Ctrl V. Just one backup is there. Now we'll modify this. Here we can see the extension is XLSX. If this is not seeing, go to view. There is a show option. Click on file name extension. Now this will be visible. Right click. We rename it. Instead of XLSX, we'll do zip and click on enter. It will ask whether you want to change. Click yes. Now this is a zip folder. Open the folder. Inside that you can see Excel folder. Open it. Inside that worksheets. Right? We are having only one sheet, so this is showing XML. What we'll do, we will copy this and we come back to this folder. We paste it outside this. Right? Now we open this with Notepad. Open with Notepad. Right? We are able to see this sheet. Now we search for the word protect. Ctrl F, PROTECT, protect. Now you can see here sheet protection starts from angle bracket less than symbol. So from there we select till end of that. Sheet protection, password till here. We press delete button to delete the record. Now we close, save this. Yes, ensure that you have saved this. Close. Now copy this. Go to the zip folder. Go to Excel worksheet. Paste here. It will ask copy or replace. Confirm replace. Right? Now you close this. Now you have done this. Now right click. Rename. Rename to normal. XLSX. Click on enter. Do you want to change? Yes. Now open the sheet. Now you can go and see review. It is unprotected. This way you can unprotect the sheets which are kept with the passwords. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel.